Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can remove watermarks from documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started. So as you can see guys, I'm accessing that example document here and it features a confidential watermark like that in the background. So let's assume you're working on a document as well and you would like to get rid of that. There are basically two different ways how you can do that, guys. Before you apply these two ways, just make sure that you have or are given the permission to edit the given document. For example, if you have been granted permission to access the document by the original author, make sure that you have been assigned that role or that permission here, editing, and not only viewing or reviewing, so that you can actually edit that document and remove parts of it, including the watermark. So there's actually one simple and one more difficult way how to remove these watermarks, depending on the type of the watermark that has been added. One way would be to simply remove the built-in watermark here from Microsoft Word. How you can do it, guys, it is actually very simple. Switch from the Home tab here at the top to Design here, and here on the right side under the page background section you will see a feature called watermark. So if the original author or the user has added the watermark from here, from that built-in feature, like a confidential watermark like I've done, for example, or do not copy, and so on and so forth, you may do that, for example, by clicking on remove watermark here. That's basically it. However, guys, if the given user has added a watermark, let's say background image, and it is pretty transparent, you will simply need to have editing permissions, of course, and simply delete the given image by left clicking on it and by deleting it by pressing backspace on your keyboard to get rid of that if that's an image that has been added to the document. For example, a custom watermark from an external source in PNG or JPEG format. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.